Armor Code Platform Online Training. What is Armor Code Platform and how does it enhance application security? The Armor Code Platform is an AI-powered application security posture management (ASPM) solution designed to enhance application security by providing unified visibility, intelligent risk prioritization, and automated remediation workflows across an organization's software ecosystem. ArmorCode.com. Key features and benefits. Unified Security Management. ArmorCode integrates with over 250 security tools, aggregating and normalizing findings from various scanners across applications, infrastructure, cloud environments, and the software supply chain. This consolidation offers a comprehensive view of an organization's security posture, eliminating silos and reducing complexity. ArmorCode.com. Intelligent Risk Prioritization. Utilizing advanced AI algorithms, ArmorCode correlates security findings with business context and threat intelligence to assign adaptive risk scores. This approach ensures that security teams can focus on addressing the most critical vulnerabilities that pose the highest risk to the organization. BusinessWire.com. Automated remediation workflows. The platform offers no-code automation capabilities, streamlining the remediation process by integrating seamlessly into existing development and operations workflows. This automation accelerates response times and reduces manual effort, enabling teams to keep pace with rapid software development cycles. ArmorCode.com. Comprehensive Asset Visibility. ArmorCode elevates infrastructure and cloud assets as integral components within the Risk-Based Vulnerability Management (RBVM) process. By correlating asset data from multiple sources, the platform provides accurate and complete visibility, facilitating precise vulnerability management and more effective remediation efforts. ArmorCode.com. How to set up and configure ArmorCode for vulnerability management. Setting up and configuring ArmorCode for effective vulnerability management involves several key steps to unify, prioritize, and remediate vulnerabilities across your applications and infrastructure. Here's a structured approach to get you started. 1. Access the ArmorCode platform. Sign up or log in. Begin by accessing the ArmorCode platform. If you're new to ArmorCode, you'll need to sign up. Existing users can log in with their credentials. 2. Integrate security scanners. Unify vulnerability data. ArmorCode allows you to integrate various application, infrastructure, and cloud security scanners. This integration unifies and normalizes vulnerabilities from multiple sources, providing a comprehensive view of your security posture. ArmorCode.com. 3. Prioritize vulnerabilities. Risk-based prioritization. Utilize ArmorCode's AI-powered correlation and intelligent risk scoring to prioritize vulnerabilities. This approach focuses on the most critical assets by considering business context and threat intelligence. ArmorCode.com. 4. Automate remediation workflows. Enhance efficiency. Implement automated workflows to streamline vulnerability management processes. Automation reduces response times and eliminates manual, repetitive tasks, facilitating efficient remediation across teams. ArmorCode.com. 5. Collaborate with development teams. Seamless integration. Armor Code integrates with tools like Jira and Azure boards, enabling developers to access vulnerability details, mitigation steps, and propose actions directly within their existing workflows. This integration minimizes disruptions and accelerates remediation efforts. Marketplace.atlassian.com. 6. Monitor and report. Continuous insight. Regularly monitor your security posture through Armor Code's dashboards and reporting features. These tools provide at-a-glance understanding of vulnerabilities and their impact across your environment, aiding in informed decision-making. ArmorCode.com. What are the key features of Armor Code for security posture management? Armor Code's Application Security Posture Management (ASPM) platform offers several key features designed to enhance an organization's security posture. Unified visibility integrates findings from over 250 security tools across applications, infrastructure, cloud, and the software supply chain, providing a comprehensive view of your security posture. ArmorCode.com. Intelligent Risk Prioritization employs AI-powered correlation and a 3D risk scoring approach that combines technical severity, business context, and active threat intelligence to prioritize vulnerabilities effectively. BusinessWire.com. Automated remediation workflows streamlines security processes by automating workflows, enabling efficient collaboration between security and development teams, and reducing manual efforts. ArmorCode.com. Compliance tracking assists in maintaining adherence to key frameworks by providing real-time dashboards and reporting capabilities, facilitating proof of compliance. ArmorCode.com. Scalability and integration supports businesses of all sizes with flexible deployment options and integrates seamlessly with existing tools and frameworks, enhancing visibility and decision-making. TheSecMaster.com. How does Armor Code help in automating security compliance and governance? Armor Code helps automate security compliance and governance by providing a unified application security platform that streamlines security processes, enhances visibility, and ensures adherence to compliance frameworks. Here's how it achieves this. 1. Centralized security posture management. Aggregates security vulnerabilities, compliance risks, and governance policies across applications, cloud environments, and DevOps pipelines. Provides a single pane of glass for monitoring security compliance in real time. 2. Automated compliance mapping. Maps security controls to regulatory frameworks like NIST, ISO 27001, SOC 2, GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. Reduces manual efforts in compliance audits by providing automated evidence collection and reporting. 3. Continuous compliance monitoring. Continuously scans security configurations, code vulnerabilities, and cloud settings to detect deviations from compliance standards. Sends real-time alerts when non-compliance is detected. 4. Security orchestration and automation. Integrates with security tools, example SIEM, SOAR, SAST, DAST, CSPM, and CI/CD pipelines. Automates remediation workflows to prioritize and fix security issues based on risk severity. 5. Policy-driven governance. enforces security best practices and governance rules across development, testing, and production environments. Supports role-based access controls, RBAC, and policy enforcement to prevent security misconfigurations. 6. Audit-ready reporting. Generates real-time compliance dashboards and automated reports for audits. Helps organizations quickly demonstrate compliance during security assessments. 7. DevSecOps enablement. Integrates security into DevOps pipelines for shift-left security. Provides security teams with actionable insights while minimizing developer friction. What are the best practices for risk-based prioritization using Armor Code? Implementing risk-based prioritization with Armor Code involves several best practices to effectively manage and mitigate security risks. Unified visibility. Integrate and normalize findings from various security tools across applications, infrastructure, and cloud environments. This consolidation provides a comprehensive view of your security posture, enabling you to understand potential impacts at different organizational levels. ArmorCode.com. Adaptive Risk Scoring. Utilize Armor Code's adaptive risk scoring, which combines technical severity, business context, and threat intelligence to assess the risk associated with each finding. This approach ensures that remediation efforts are focused on vulnerabilities that pose the greatest risk to your organization. ArmorCode.com. Automated remediation workflows. Implement automated workflows triggered by risk scores to streamline the remediation process. Automation enhances productivity by reducing manual efforts and accelerating response times to critical vulnerabilities. ArmorCode.com. Continuous monitoring and reporting. Regularly monitor your security posture and measure the effectiveness of your risk management strategies. Utilize Armor Code's reporting capabilities to track progress, identify areas for improvement, and ensure compliance with risk-based remediation service level agreements, SLAs. ArmorCode.com. Contextual prioritization. Assess the business impact of affected assets to prioritize vulnerabilities effectively. By understanding which assets are most critical to your operations, you can allocate resources to address the most significant risks first. ArmorCode.com. How to use Armor Code for real-time threat intelligence and incident response? Armor Code is an AI-powered application security posture management (ASPM) platform designed to enhance real-time threat intelligence and streamline incident response. To effectively utilize Armor Code for these purposes, consider the following steps. 1. Integrate diverse security data sources. Begin by connecting Armor Code to your existing security tools, including application, infrastructure, cloud, and supply chain scanners. Armor Code supports over 250 integrations, enabling it to aggregate findings from various sources into a unified platform. This consolidation provides comprehensive visibility into your security posture. BusinessWire.com. To leverage AI-powered correlation and prioritization. Armor Code employs AI-driven correlation to analyze and prioritize vulnerabilities. By processing extensive data, the platform identifies critical issues that require immediate attention, reducing noise and focusing efforts on the most significant threats. BusinessWire.com. 3. Utilize advanced threat intelligence. Enhance your threat assessment by incorporating advanced threat intelligence features within Armor Code. The platform augments data from public sources with predictive measures such as Exploit Prediction Scoring System, EPSS, dark web monitoring, social media trends, and threat actor intelligence. This comprehensive approach allows for more accurate and timely assessments, aiding in effective risk-based remediation. ArmorCode.com. 4. Implement automated remediation workflows. Streamline your incident response by setting up automated workflows in Armor Code. The platform's no-code automation capabilities enable you to define remediation processes that automatically assign tasks to the appropriate teams, track progress, and ensure timely resolution of security issues. BusinessWire.com. 5. Manage penetration testing and exceptions. Armor Code's penetration testing management module allows for the seamless integration of manual assessment findings with automated scanner results. Additionally, the exceptions management module provides governance for vulnerabilities that cannot be immediately addressed, ensuring they are documented and revisited appropriately. BusinessWire.com. What are the reporting and dashboard capabilities in Armor Code? Armor Code offers robust reporting and dashboard capabilities designed to provide comprehensive visibility into an organization's security posture. Key features include Enhanced Security Dashboard. Overall Risk Score provides a comprehensive overview of the organization's risk level, enabling quick assessments of security posture. Top 5 Vulnerable Applications automatically identifies and ranks applications with the highest risk scores, allowing security teams to prioritize remediation efforts. Findings over time. Visualize periods when code introduced significant vulnerabilities, helping in identifying patterns and planning process improvements. Finding due dates, monitors overdue issues and upcoming deadlines, assisting in resource allocation and timely resolution. Resolution SLA tracking tracks the percentage of service level agreement SLA breaches versus met SLAs, providing insights into the organization's efficiency in addressing vulnerabilities. SLA breaches by application and team identifies applications and teams with the most SLA breaches, highlighting areas requiring additional focus or training. These dashboards offer real-time insights, enabling security professionals to monitor key metrics and risk levels effectively. Armor Code provides a variety of out-of-the-box dashboards and reports, as well as a custom dashboarding framework to tailor insights to specific organizational needs. ArmorCode.com. Additionally, Armor Code's platform includes features such as incident tracking, vulnerability assessments, threat analytics, and risk scoring, further enhancing its reporting and analytics capabilities. Why choose ProExcellency for Armor Code platform online training? ProExcellency is a reputable provider of online professional training, offering a range of courses designed to meet industry demands. While specific information about their Armor Code platform training isn't available in the provided sources, here are some general reasons to consider ProExcellency for your training needs. Industry-relevant curriculum. ProExcellency's courses are tailored to align with current industry standards, ensuring that the content is both relevant and up-to-date. ProExcellency.com. Experienced instructors, the training programs are led by professionals with extensive experience in their respective fields, providing practical insights and real-world applications. ProExcellency.com. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency offers online training programs with live classes, recorded sessions, and self-paced study materials, allowing learners to study at their convenience. ProExcellency.com. Positive client testimonials. Clients have praised ProExcellency for their dedication, quality of work, and commitment to continuous development. One client noted, "The quality of work and their concern for continuous development has paved the way for having them as our technology partner." ProExcellency.com. Comprehensive course offerings. ProExcellency provides a wide range of courses across various domains, which may include specialized training programs like the Our MoCode platform. Thank you.